Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 21 of the Cougar Connection. We had a really great week here at Simons Middle School last week, even though it was cut short by the snow day on Friday. And we do have several activities upcoming this week at SMS. On Monday, we have an admin team meeting at 2. Basketball will play at Bath County on Monday. Also, we will have a leadership team meeting at 3:45 on Tuesday. It is Mrs. Lawson's birthday on Tuesday, so happy early birthday, Mrs. Lawson. Basketball will be at Lewis County on Tuesday, and there is a Fleming County Schools calendar planning committee meeting at 4 o'clock. Wednesday is Next Gen Leadership Academy for those teachers that participate in that. And after school teachers, we will be having administration code training at 3:45 in the library, and we do have a home game versus Elliott County. There is actually nothing on the agenda for Thursday of this week. Friday, as always, is Bring It Friday. We will also have Kona Ice this Friday. It's also Brandenburg Boot Camp, so students, if you're interested in participating in that, please make sure that you get your permission form turned into Mrs. High by Thursday. It's also a BPI Focus Day, and the Cougar Council will meet at 9:15. We do want to take a moment to recognize our Achieve 3000 leaderboards for last week. On Monday, congratulations to Katie Newsom. Tuesday, Landon Applegate. Wednesday, Adriana Gray. Thursday, Cody Stevenson. Our weekly top scorer for last week was Cody Stevenson. And the two students with the most activities at 75% or above on the first try were Cody Stevenson in grade 7 with 14 and Katie Newsom in grade 8 with 8 activities. That is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.